This video will go over how the alert tool works within FeedbackWhiz. To locate the alerts tool, click on the alerts tab above and then within the alert settings page. This is essentially the new notifications page. That alert settings provides options to create and manage custom alerts based on your needs. This is where you would select the appropriate marketplace for your services. There is any email summary feedback manager or city manager, product monitoring, and marketplace account. Each service will have its own condition, subcondition, and frequency to select. You can also search by products, product list, and subscriber list. You can sort by date, created service type, or frequency. You can view by sending or descending view. You scroll down to this custom alerts table. This displays custom alerts created with relative information such as active status, associated services, product list, and sub list. To create a custom alert, you would click on this Create Alert button and a pop-up will appear. For services, there is email, summary, feedback manager, or manager product monitoring and marketplace account. And again, each service will have its own condition, subcondition, and frequency to select. For now, I'm going to click on product monitoring. For the condition, I'm going to keep it as product reviews. And for this up condition, I'll leave it as any rating. The products I'm going to select for this alert will be located within the product list. So these are lists that are already created. So if you wanted to create one from scratch or manage them, you'd click on Manage List and a pop-up will appear. So I'm going to click on Create List. All of your inventory will be displayed here. But if you wanted to input any ASINs, you can go ahead and insert them here or by SKU. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and select 3 of these ASINs to be monitored for this alert. And I'm going to title this alert rating, create list. So as you can see, the list is created successfully. I'm going to exit that. And for the product list, you can scroll down to ratings here. Here are the 3 products that we've just selected to be alerted for any type of rating for your product reviews. The subscriber list is for when you would like to be notified for the alerts. If you wanted to create one from scratch, go ahead and click Manage List. These are the ones I've already created. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and have this alert sent to the marketing you, which has 2 emails associated, and you can select multiple subscribers. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and click Create Alert. And so you can see that alert was created for product monitoring, product review, any rating that will notify you immediately for the list under ratings for the products. And then the subscribers that are underneath the list of marketing you can see that this is an active alert. You can manage subscriber or product list from list management. This is an overview of the settings page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Dashboard. The alerts dashboard gathers the alerts triggered by the custom alerts created within the alert settings page. Within the dashboard, you have the options to select services such as any order feedback, product monitoring, or marketplace account conditions, ratings, progress, or any notes for the alerts. You can search by products or labels. You can filter by the date. And then the stats cards will provide quick stats on ratings, specific alerts, progress, status, and notes. You also have the ability to export any of the alerts as well. The alerts dashboard table displays alerts with additional information related to individual alert properties, such as ratings associated within the service. You may change the product status for each alert here. This helps you stay organized if there's any resolution required for the alert. So for this negative feedback that was received for that order, let's say you've already been communicating with the buyer as they've messaged you, you can go ahead and click this as resolved. So as you can see, it will mark it as resolved. You also have the ability to bulk update the status for the alerts, and you can go ahead and display. You can click how many alerts are displayed within this page by this section. You can go ahead and change the pages around. And you also have the ability to add internal notes to stay organized for all of these alerts that you've received. So refunds have been issued, negative feedback. You can leave any notes and then change around the progress status. It's easier for you to come in and filter for any alerts that are, let's say, resolved. You can easily see this one has been resolved. Any that are in progress, as you can see, there's none right now, but any new alerts will always be displayed under the news section. So you can see all of the new alerts that you were notified for within the dashboard page. That's how easy it is to use the alert settings within FeedbackWhiz.